under the blanket. Literally, she's hiding under the blanket. Courtney, there's one sitting next to you. Courtney, I'm not kidding. Come on. What the fuck? It's creepy as fuck. You wanna play, Courtney? Courtney, stop. I'm not doing that. That's creepy as fuck. What the fuck? Alright, we're gonna drop you off, okay? Are you gonna be okay? That was so funny. We're gonna drop you off. Are you gonna be okay? Oh shit! I didn't mean to. That was so creepy. They're in the woods, dude. Oh shit. They might be in y'all's woods coming down that hill.
Let me see your gauze. No. Okay, where is it? It's my hand. Really in her hand?
She looks so terrified.
Is it really in her hand?
No, it's in her mouth.
You need a bite.
Courtney, stop.
How much gauze do they give you?
A lot, but you don't need to. She said every hour.
Hey, can you school me on how to groom a dog?
Why not? Huh?
Why not? Oh god, there's a fly. She wants her chapstick, she keeps saying.
She what?
She wants her chapstick.
Why would they fucking put childproof label on this ship? That's so fucking stupid. What flavor? It doesn't even tell you. What flavor?
Pick one.
I just ate it.
Hey, it's my mom's name on there. That's crazy.
Oh god, that was so funny. My like throat hurt.
I